Mastering RPA, your blueprint for success in 2023. In the rapidly evolving world of technology and automation, robotic process automation, RPA, has emerged as a transformative force, reshaping the way organizations operate and streamline their workflows. Introduction to RPA, Robotic Process Automation. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, is a transformative technology that employs software bots to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks within organizations. These digital workers, though not physical robots, replicate human actions in interacting with software applications, aiming to streamline and optimize business processes. Programming skills. Becoming a proficient RPA, robotic process automation, developer in 2023 requires a solid foundation in programming. Scripting languages. Mastery of scripting languages such as Python, JavaScript, or PowerShell is invaluable. Error handling. Learn to handle exceptions and errors gracefully in your code, ensuring that your RPA bots can recover from unexpected issues during automation processes. Debugging skills. Proficiency in debugging tools and techniques is crucial for identifying and resolving issues in your automation scripts. Database basics. Knowledge of database concepts and SQL, structured query language, can be valuable when working with data-driven automation processes. RPA certification. RPA certification is a pivotal career move in the thriving field of robotic process automation, especially in 2023, as it validates your expertise with specific RPA tools like UiPath, Automation Anywhere, or Blue Prism. Advanced RPA techniques. Exception handling. Master the art of handling exceptions and errors gracefully, enabling your bots to recover autonomously when unexpected situations arise during automation processes. Integration with APIs. Go beyond basic automation by learning how to seamlessly integrate RPA bots with various application programming interfaces, APIs, to exchange data and execute actions across multiple systems. Data manipulation. Explore advanced data manipulation techniques, including complex data transformations, parsing unstructured data, and handling large datasets efficiently. Best practices in RPA development. Requirements analysis. Begin with a thorough understanding of the business process you aim to automate, involving stakeholders to define clear objectives and expected outcomes. Modularity and reusability. Design your RPA workflows in a modular fashion, promoting code reusability to save time and effort in future automation projects. Error handling. Implement comprehensive error handling mechanisms to gracefully manage exceptions, log errors, and ensure the reliability of your bots. Soft skills for RPA developers. Communication skills. Effective communication with both technical and non-technical stakeholders is vital for understanding automation requirements, explaining technical concepts, and ensuring alignment with business objectives. Problem-solving and critical thinking. Develop strong problem-solving and critical thinking abilities to identify automation opportunities, troubleshoot issues, and optimize RPA solutions. Attention to detail. Pay meticulous attention to detail when designing, coding, and testing RPA workflows to ensure accuracy and reliability in automated processes. Networking and community involvement. Networking and community involvement are essential for RPA developers in 2023, as they play a pivotal role in personal and professional growth within the dynamic realm of robotic process automation. Engaging with online forums, professional associations, meetups, and conferences allows developers to connect with peers, stay abreast of industry trends, and share valuable insights. Keeping up with RPA trends. Continuous learning. Dedicate time to ongoing education through online courses, webinars, and workshops offered by RPA tool providers, industry organizations, and educational platforms. Professional networks. Engage with RPA-focused communities, forums, and LinkedIn groups where experts and enthusiasts share insights, news, and emerging trends. Industry publications. Regularly read RPA-related publications, blogs, and news outlets to stay updated on the latest developments, case studies, and best practices in the field. Building a career as an RPA developer. Start by mastering RPA fundamentals, including popular automation tools and programming languages, and consider formal education or relevant certifications to bolster your knowledge. Gain practical experience through hands-on projects, connect with industry professionals for networking opportunities, and invest in soft skills like communication and problem-solving. Conclusion. The world of robotic process automation, RPA, in 2023 offers abundant opportunities for those seeking to excel in automation technology. Embracing continuous learning, networking, and community involvement is key to thriving in this dynamic field. By following best practices, earning certifications, and building a portfolio of successful projects, you can establish yourself as a proficient RPA developer.